Currently, this AI video generator is free to use. I don't know how long this AI tool will remain free. This AI tutorial video will be divided into 4 parts, including using free text-to-speech AI, generating an AI video from the original website, creating an AI avatar inside Canva, and editing the video background. So, let us get started. Oh, wait a minute. I spent hours creating this video just for you. Would you please give me 3 seconds for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my friend. Part 1, Free Text-to-Speech AI. Go to the Neiro AI website, the link is in this video's description. Click the Create Free AI Videos button to open Neiro AI Studio. Navigate to the Text-to-Speech menu. Type or paste your script and select your language. Choose your preferred voice actor and click the Save Changes button to save the settings. Once everything is set, click the Generate Speech button to generate your free AI-generated voice. Click the Play button to listen to your AI-generated voice. If you are satisfied with the result, click the Copy Link button to copy the voice file URL and paste it into your browser's address bar. Click the Option button and select Download to download your AI voice. Part 2, Free AI Video Generator. In Neiro AI Studio, select the Generate Video menu. Choose your AI avatar and either type or paste your video script. Alternatively, click the Generate Script button to use their AI script generator. Enter your topic and your target audience. Click Generate to start generating your AI video script. This AI tool will give you 2 options, select the best one and click Use this script to continue. Now, change your video background by clicking the Change Background button. You can upload your image or use default pre-made images from the list. Click Save Changes to apply the changes. Now select your AI video language and AI voice style. Click Save Changes to apply the changes. They will ask for your email address in this step. After that, click the Submit button to start rendering your AI video. Here is the AI-generated video result from this part. Part 3, Free AI Avatar in Canva. In Neiro AI Studio, there aren't many options for video editing. So, let us use Neiro AI inside Canva to make our editing process easier. Log into your Canva dashboard, or use the link in this video's description. Click the Create Design button, then select the video option. Go to the Apps menu, type Neiro AI in the search bar, and click on the Neiro AI app button. Click Open to continue. Now, select your desired AI avatar. Type or paste your video script in the script section. Select your language and AI voice actor. Click Preview Speech to listen to your AI-generated voice. After everything is set, click the Create Your Video button to start generating your AI avatar video. After your AI avatar video is ready, click and resize it to match your video size. Part 4, Change Video Background. Now, let us change your AI avatar video with video stock from Canva. Before changing the background, remove the current video background by clicking the Edit Video button. Click the Background Remover option and wait for the process to complete. Now, go to the Elements menu, select the Video section, and search for your desired video. In this example, I will use an AI video animation. Choose your desired video, then right-click on the video and select the Set Video as Background option. Preview your video by clicking the Play button. After everything is set, click the Download button. Select the video format and resolution, and click the Download button to start rendering and download your AI-generated video. Here is the AI-generated video from this part. Thank you for watching this free AI video generator tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Bye bye.